Polishing metal can be a painful and long process. Well, not anymore. Introducing Q2M Metal Polish, a fast solution for restoring the clarity of polished aluminum, stainless, or chrome parts. It's the perfect blend of high cutting power and a gloss-filled finish. This mirror-creating product is safe for all types of metals on everything from exhaust tips to bare metal wheels. And if you want to lock in that highly reflective look, then we recommend applying a ceramic coating like RIM Evo onto the surface after. To save some elbow grease, you can apply metal polish with a powered machine like this until only a light haze remains, then simply wipe the rest off with a microfiber towel.